Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Crypto. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Now today I wanted to talk about a cryptocurrency exchange called LCX. And I came across this one recently because of their big partnership that they've just announced with Polkadot. Now, of course, I look into any project that's collaborating with another top 10 crypto. So let's get right into it. Now, guys, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. I just want to talk about what LCX is, functions, features, all about the team, the usual technical analysis that you get on this channel. Now, LCX is a solutions for compliant digital assets and security tokens. LCX is a secure and compliant platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing digital currency. The Liechtenstein, and I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, Crypto Assets Exchange was founded in 2018 with headquarters in Liechtenstein and offices in Crypto Valley in Switzerland and New Delhi, India. LCX has obtained 8 crypto-related regulations by the Financial Market Authority of Liechtenstein, operates in accordance with new blockchain laws, and has introduced a comprehensive crypto-compliance suite. LCX AG, the legal entity behind LCX, has a registered share capital of 1 million CHF. They are also a proud member of the World Economic Forum Center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution and has been named Blockchain Pioneer by the Blockchain Research Institute of Canada. The advisory board of LCX includes leading thought leader Don Tapscott, who is the author of Blockchain Revolution, Jimmy Wales, founder of Wikipedia, Yat Seal, chairman of Animoca Brands, and many others. Now, recently, LCX has launched a second layer DeFi protocol enabling limit orders at Uniswap, an advanced trading terminal for all major cryptocurrency exchanges, regulated price oracles and crypto reference prices, an end-to-end tokenization platform for security tokens, and a token sale manager for compliant coin offerings like ICOs and IEOs. The LCX token, which is what we're looking at now, currently priced at 0.06615, down 3% on the 24-hour, but overall having a very, very happy 7-day average, peaking out here probably around the time of the announcement at 0.74 cents, and that is pretty well. The all-time high was around here in March. Now, the LCX token is the fuel of the platform, and LCX cryptocurrency exchange, it works as a long-term sustainable incentive mechanism to motivate various stakeholders to participate in the ecosystem. The LCX token is an exchange-based utility token which can be used to pay fees, which can then be staked for governance and voting purposes, and staked to get priority VIP access for token offerings as well. So obviously there's multiple benefits, like many other platforms, of holding the native token. Now, guys, this one here is currently for sale on Uniswap predominantly, and a couple of small exchanges. Now, of course, you can also buy on the LCX platform, but if you wanted to invest in this product without using their exchange, you can buy it on Uniswap. Like I said, currently trading at 0.06416 cents. And quite easy. Now, I do recommend if you're going to buy it on Uniswap, please wait for a time where the gas fees aren't ridiculously high. I tried to buy something quite cheap the other day, and I'm not even kidding. They wanted to charge me about $80 in gas fees. So I was not a happy chappy. Now, let's get in some of the functions and features of LCX. Now, we've got the exchange, the terminal, the DeFi terminal, which I'll do a demonstration of. Got some smart order, the STO launchpad, and the Liechtenstein protocol. Now, if we go to the exchange, which is right here, you will see that it looks like most of the crypto exchanges, but it's pretty sleek. I like the look of it. It's got quite a few trading pairs that you can look at. Of course, we've got ADA, AMP, ATRY, BAT, Bitcoin, of course, CELO, DAG, Doge, Engine, Ethereum, HBAR, HOT. Of course, you've got all the LCX pairs, Link. So you've got quite a few cryptos that you can trade on this platform. Now for a European platform, I think it's probably got one of the broadest range of cryptos that you can exchange. And like I said, the platform is super, super easy to use. You've got all your figures here. You can change your charts. It's quite easy to put orders in. And all you have to do is register. Now, guys, you do have to do KYC for these guys, so be prepared for that when you sign up. And that's the exchange, but then we've got the terminal. So for all your trades, a multi-exchange crypto trading platform to trade on all major crypto exchanges without a single interface. Smart trading tools and social signals for crypto traders to maximize profits across multiple exchanges. Professional crypto trading platform helping to outperform the competitors on 24/7 markets. 16 connected exchanges and more than 5,249 total trading pairs. Now, if that's not impressive, I don't know what is. Now, like I was saying before, you've got all the data on one platform, so you connect to 16 crypto exchanges, and some of them are named right here. So you've got KuCoin, Binance, Bittrex, Bitfinex, Coinbase, OKEX, I don't know how I'm saying that, Poloniex. Some of these have got some really interesting names. Kraken, Gate.io, Huoboy, Gemini. So you've got quite a few here that you connect to, and I think it's pretty impressive. Now, I've used the LCX platform myself, and I find it really, really simple to use. And you've got here some of the examples: advanced trading and reporting, trading, new desks, price alerts, multiple crypto exchanges. So you've got here, you take the global digital currency trading to the next level. So you can choose here your exchanges, social analytics, and trading signals. I find this one really interesting because I do believe we're still at a time with crypto where it is very much news driven and very, very much dependent on the news in terms of pricing. So I love the social analytics and trading signal aspect of this exchange, because I think it's important if you're a trader to make quick decisions and be able to, get in, get out as the news comes and as the social sentiment changes. Then you've got here the LCX supports crypto asset investors to be successful by delivering an advanced trading experience. So you can manage multiple exchanges, you've got market data, you've got your dashboard, your asset and order management, your intuitive trading interface, and professional charts and trade views. So to be honest, I do think that this is for your basic traders all the way through to your pros. So price-wise, it is pretty well priced. If you're a pro trader, $290 a month is not that bad. And I've talked to traders that pay way more than that for their platform. So I do think these guys are very, very well priced, especially considering some of the, the partnership that they've already announced, but other partnerships that they already have. I do think it's a good price. You've got your LCX insights here where they talk about, what's Quant, what's ADA, what's Sand token by the Sandbox game, all those sorts of things. So the website overall is pretty simple to use and simple to find stuff. Now over here, we want to talk about the team. Now, when I talk about any crypto, it's really important to look at the team, because the team is a reflection of the product. Now, it's funny because LCX started on a napkin, from an idea on a napkin to a global growth company redefining finance as we know it. So this is the original napkin that the founder, Monty, actually wrote down when he had this idea. So it's pretty crazy, and they've got a hashtag napkin strategy, which I think is quite humorous. So then you talk more about LCX here, but let's go down to the team now. The management advice. So Monty is the founder and executive chairman. And one of the things I always like to do, guys, is I always like to look at people on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional social media platform, and you can see people's experience. So what we can see from Monty is that obviously currently he's running LCX, which he founded a couple of years ago. But before that, he's currently a World Economic Forum member. He was a partner in a foundation, and then he founded Digital Leaders, which is a global network of some of the most influential leaders in the internet, mobile, and digital industry. So he's obviously been around this for quite a long time. He's been the CEO of another company, he's been an advisor, a board member, a co-founder. So he's got some pretty great experience. And I think especially this one here, the Digital Leaders, I find really interesting, especially in the lead up to him launching LCX. So pretty strong foundations here for Monty. And then up next, you've got Amanjot, who, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. He's the director of product development. Now, I would imagine he would be based out of the New Delhi office of LCX. And you can see here his experience as well. So he's founded projects, he's been vice president, founder, and product manager and technical internship. So he's done quite a bit, but he's managed a lot of products prior to LCX. So you can see quite a solid pattern of work history, and he's worked with some pretty decent foundations and from some pretty decent companies. So again, you're seeing some solid fundamentals in the core team. Then you've got Anurag, who is the director of technology. Now, again, I was really happy with his work history. So he's senior blockchain developer for Lala World, and then blockchain developer for Atlo Tech. So, and which is, prior to that, he did his internship. So he's been around the blockchain and he's worked around crypto, which is really what you want to see in people in these positions. So again, pretty impressive team, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. Now, up next, guys, I wanted to show you and give you a little demonstration of their DEX. Now, their DEX was only recently launched a couple of weeks ago, and I really like the look of it. It's sleek, it's easy to use, and if you compare it to something like 1inch, it's pretty much chalk and cheese. I mean, I personally like my platforms to look sleek. I find that 1inch, for beginner traders, they'll find the platform challenging because of the nature of its operation. It's a little bit all over the place. And with 1inch, the infinity unlock might be a point of entry for attackers in the future. So, something like LCX, they have a fantastic auditing, great security protocol. So I do like what they're doing, and I do find this platform quite sleek. Now, I've connected one of my smaller wallets here, and you can have it in list mode where you see your assets, or you can chart it and it pretty much shows you your holdings. So MITX, I absolutely love that crypto. But here you can see what the DEX looks like. You can do a basic swap, you can do a pro swap. So if we go to the basic swap, let's just select what I've got. Now I've got a lot of Axion. So I want to swap my Axion for, let's just say, what do we want to swap for, guys? Let's pick. Shall we do MILF? Let's get MILF. Now, I've not heard of that token. I'm imagining it's one of the meme coins that's out there. So I've got obviously a lot of Axion. So if I do, let's just say 100,000 Axion, which is only about $12, but that's a different story. So now it's finding the best price. I would simply have to approve this transaction. My MetaMask wallet is popping up on the left-hand side. It doesn't show on my auto record. Now, right now, guys, this is what I was saying. A $12 swap has a $28 gas fee right now. So I'm going to go ahead and reject that. But the purpose of what I'm showing you guys is that it is super simple to use. So I've canceled this transaction. Now, if we go to Pro Swap, you can see a little bit more of a technical view. You can see the charts. You can see the 24, 1 week, and 1 month. So again, it's got something for everybody, and I find it really, really simple to use. Now, you can do a market analysis as well with all of these, and then you've got your governance over here, which is coming soon. And like I said, the platform is newly launched. One of the things I really like, and it's something basic, but there's dark mode. So you can turn dark mode on and off. Now, I personally am a fan of dark mode on everything because the blue light of computers absolutely kills my eyes, especially with the sort of work that I do. But overall, I think this DEX is pretty impressive and comparable to something like 1inch. I think it's chalk and cheese, and I would prefer to use this over 1inch any day of the week. Now, the last thing I want to talk about in this video, guys, but not least, is their big announcement with Polkadot. So LCX to advance parachain technology with technical guidance from Parity Technologies. LCX is looking to establish a new standard for security tokens and tokenized digital assets on Polkadot with guidance from Parity Technologies. LCX is operating a regulated cryptocurrency exchange for a variety of digital assets and has launched a powerful DEX aggregator called Fire Salamander. LCX has developed its own proprietary blockchain protocol to deliver a future token standard for security tokens called the Liechtenstein Protocol. So in total, LCX will provide the following implementations on Polkadot. Security token standard on Polkadot. LCX is a regulated crypto exchange and is in the process of building an infrastructure for security tokens and corporate tokens on Polkadot. This includes points included within the technical white paper of the Liechtenstein protocol. LCX will prepare the Liechtenstein protocol for commercial use on the Polkadot network and launch commercial products in Polkadot via the Liechtenstein protocol. Now, number 2 is the parachain for LCX DeFi terminal. LCX recently launched the next version of the LCX DeFi terminal called Fire Salamander. Fire Salamander is a powerful DEX aggregator which currently works on Ethereum blockchain with full integration on Uniswap version 3 and 6 other decentralized exchanges. Now, LCX will advance Fire Salamander even further and will expand system by building on top of Polkadot's parachain technology. Now, pretty impressive stuff, guys. I think the partnership between LCX and Polkadot is going to be absolutely huge. I think it's going to be major for LCX, and using the Polkadot parachain technology, I think it'll be a winner. And it's good for the token, guys. It's good for the token. It's good for crypto for these companies to be working together and building together. Now, guys, before I wrap this video up, it's really important that you follow LCX on all those socials, especially Twitter. 54,000 followers on Twitter, pretty active on the platform, and I always recommend you follow these sorts of companies on Twitter. Now, they recently did announce the Polkadot partnership, which did get some really, really good, obviously, feedback from LCX fans and Polkadot fans alike. So I think right here, guys, sitting at 66 cents per coin, I do see LCX getting to $1 by the end of this year as a minimum, and potentially going into a couple of dollars as this partnership with Polkadot develops. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as always, watch this space.